Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about how to maintain substitute approval in GUI and My Inbox Fiori application. First of all, we need to understand why substitute approval is required. If any primary approval is unavailable or if he is absent due to some reason such as vacation or because of illness or any other reason, so in that case to ensure business continuity in purchasing process, that primary approver can delegate his authority to relevant backup person to prevent delays in procurement activities. So in primary approver absence period, that substitute can step in and perform, or they can that the substitute can approve the pending documents, such as that a substitute approval can approve purchase requisition, purchase order or RFQ, etc. So this will prevent workflow bottlenecks. So this is the objective of substitute approver. Now we'll see in the system how to maintain this substitute approver. So if you want to maintain substitute approver in GUI, you can go to SAP Business Workplace, or you can execute transaction code SBWP. In this SBWP, go to settings, workflow settings, and click on edit substitute. Then here select your ID and click on create substitute, and here search your backup or substitute approver's user ID. Suppose I want to maintain this person as a substitute approver, so here I am searching that substitute approver's user ID. So this is the user ID of the substitute approver. I am selecting this. Now here system will ask you for what validity you want to maintain him as a substitute approver. So I want to maintain him as a substitute approver for validity, for example from 10th March to 14th March, and I want to activate this substitution. So to activate substitution, you have to click on this checkbox, click on save. So system will throw warning message, substitution will start from 10th of March. Click on continue. So here it will indicate this substitution is activated for the period 10th of March to 14th of March. So this is how you can maintain substitute approver in GUI. Now if you want to maintain substitute approver in Fiori, so to maintain substitute approver in Fiori, you have to search application My Inbox, then in My Inbox application, go to profile section and click on manage my substitutes. Then here on the right bottom corner, click on add new substitute and search your substitute approver's ID. Now here what I will do, I will maintain other person as a substitute. So here I am selecting this other person's ID, select this ID. Then for what activity you want to maintain him as a substitute approver, so I am setting all task groups, and here I will select substitution period. So now for this person, okay, I am selecting substitution period from 24th March to 28th March, clicking on save. So see, first person I maintained as a substitute approver, this person I maintained as a substitute approver for 23rd March to 29th March, and this person I maintained as a substitute approver from 10th March to 15th March. So this is how you can maintain substitute approver in a system. Now if you want to maintain, I'm going back to GUI, if you want to maintain substitute approver for others user ID, then how you can maintain? If you want to maintain substitute approver for others user ID, then you can maintain that substitute approver for others ID by this transaction code RMPS underscore SAT underscore SUBSTITUTE RMPS underscore set underscore substitute. Oh, sorry. Yeah. RMPS underscore set underscore substitute. For which user ID you want to maintain substitute, that user ID you can maintain here. Suppose I want to maintain substitute approver for this person, so I am selecting his user ID, click on execute button, select his user ID row, click on create substitute button, then here search that substitute approver ID. Suppose here I want to maintain myself as a substitute approver, so here I am searching my ID, selecting this ID row, and here maintain validity period. So I want to maintain myself as a substitute approver for this ID from 5th of March to 31st of March. So here I am selecting 31st of March as a valid to date, and I want to activate this substitution. So here I am selecting substitution active and click on save. So here you can see the substitution is activated. Okay, this is a substitute approver for this primary approver. Click on continue button. So this is how you can maintain substitute approver for others user ID. The transaction code is RMPS underscore set underscore substitute. Now if you want to check all these substitution details in a table, then you can access this table SC60, go to SC16 and enter table name HRUS underscore D2, and in this here you can maintain user ID. Suppose I want to check, okay, for this user ID what substitute approver is maintained for. Here I am maintaining other user ID also. Let's check, okay, what are the substitution maintained for these user IDs. Click on execute, again click on execute. So here it will show for this user IDs, these are the substitute approvers maintained for this validity period. Here you can see this is the primary approver. For this primary approver, this is the substitute approver maintained for this validity period. So this is the information you can check in HRUS underscore D2. So this is about substitute approver maintenance in GUI and in My Inbox Fiori application. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye.